Ready to read means ready for school. Before birth, babies hear and learn about language. Babies and preschoolers hear speech and learn ready to read, early literacy skills. Ready to read means success at school. A great way to engage preschool talkers and children up to the third grade is to ask them to explain the sequence of activities. This could include what they do each morning or at bedtime, how they play, how they make a sandwich, or their favorite things to do. Sequences organize ideas with beginnings, middles, and ends. Do you remember playing with magnetic letters? Children benefit from activities using them in different ways. Sort them by color. Sort them by their favorite letters, especially the letters in their name. Sort them by each half of the alphabet. Spell their names. Sort by vowels and consonants. Spell words they are learning. Pre-readers learn ready-to-read skills when they can handle a book like a reader would. Teach them to hold a book upright. Show them the front cover, back cover, and spine. Help them learn to flip through pages from front to back. Teach them to run their fingers along the title and text from left to right as it would be read. Children love to hear the same book over and over again. They learn to like books written by the same author. Picture book authors may draw the illustrations. Some picture books have authors and illustrators. Teach children the difference between written text and pictures. Help them learn the names of their favorite authors and illustrators. Help them learn to pronounce these names. Children learn to read when they understand that the printed word is all around us. When out with them, point out the signs you see and teach them to repeat what the sign says. When grocery shopping with children, point out and talk about the many signs you see. If you are a passenger in a car with children, talk about the road signs and billboards. Make reading together a fun experience. Be careful and share read-alouds when children are ready. Often, when we have the time to share a book, a child may not be ready to listen and participate. When this happens, relax and find something else to do. You can set the book aside to share later. Learning the sounds a letter represents is a big part of reading. Most words can be sounded out. The alphabet song emphasizes letter sounds because each letter contains a sound the letter stands for. When reading the titles to books or signs, emphasize the letters too, and use the word to teach the sounds of letters. Reading is fun. Show children that you enjoy reading. When sharing books, select ones that you will enjoy too. Let children see you read books. Let children see you read websites or social media posts. When enjoying a movie or TV show together, read any text you see, including titles, credits, game scores, and even player names. For more about Ready to Read, Ready for School skills, visit earlyliteracyweb.com.